Raksha Bandhan, the thread of unity. Raksha Bandhan, literally translating to the bond of protection, is one of the most cherished festivals celebrated across India. It symbolizes the deep emotional connection between brothers and sisters, marked by the ritual of tying a rakhi, a sacred thread, by the sister on her brother's wrist. While today the festival is largely seen through a familial and emotional lens, its roots run much deeper, originating in the Vedic period. Over the centuries, Raksha Bandhan has also served as a tool of socio-political unity, most notably during the partition of Bengal in 1905. This composition explores the evolution of Raksha Bandhan from its Vedic origins to its role as a symbol of national unity. The roots of Raksha Bandhan can be traced back to ancient Vedic traditions where rituals involving protective threads were common. The Atharva Veda mentions the concept of Raksha Sutra, a sacred thread tied during rituals to invoke protection from evil and harm. These threads were believed to carry spiritual power, acting as talismans. The Bhavishya Purana, one of the 18 major Puranas, narrates an early example of the festival. It describes an instance where Lord Indra, the king of the Devas, was preparing for war against the demon king Bali. His wife, Indrani, Shachi, tied a thread around his wrist after chanting sacred mantras to protect him in battle. This thread, sanctified by mantras and devotion, was believed to ensure victory and safety. The tradition of tying a protective thread, initially a ritual reserved for warriors, gradually extended to siblings, especially between sisters and brothers. In Vedic yajnas, sacrificial rituals, a Raksha Sutra would be tied by the priest to the Yajamana, patron of the ritual, and other participants as a mark of sanctity and protection. Over time, this evolved into a custom performed on the full moon day of the month of Shravana, July-August. The practice came to symbolize the broader theme of Raksha, not just from physical harm but from spiritual and moral degradation. Thus, Raksha Bandhan was born as a festival rooted in sacred duty, protection, and dharma. One of the most popular mythological stories linked to Raksha Bandhan is that of Lord Krishna and Draupadi. According to the legend, during the Rajasuya Yagya, Krishna hurt his finger while wielding the Sudarshana Chakra. Seeing him bleed, Draupadi tore a piece from her sari and tied it around his finger. Touched by her spontaneous gesture, Krishna vowed to protect her in every circumstance. This vow came to fruition during the infamous scene of Draupadi's disrobing in the Kaurava court, where Krishna miraculously protected her dignity. This story adds emotional and moral depth to the ritual of tying a rakhi. It becomes not just a gesture but a sacred bond of mutual support and divine protection. In medieval India, Raksha Bandhan also became a tool of diplomatic relationships and political strategy. A notable instance is the story of Rani Karnavati of Mewar and Emperor Humayun. Facing the threat of invasion from Bahadur Shah of Gujarat, Rani Karnavati sent a rakhi to Mughal Emperor Humayun, appealing to him as a brother. Though historical accuracy is debated, the story reflects how Raksha Bandhan was viewed as a symbol capable of transcending religious and political boundaries. Such narratives show the festival's evolution from a religious ritual to a broader symbol of loyalty, alliance, and communal harmony. In 1905, Lord Curzon, the then Viceroy of India, announced the partition of Bengal, ostensibly for administrative convenience. In reality, the move was widely seen as a British strategy to divide the growing nationalist movement by splitting Hindus and Muslims along communal lines. The decision was met with massive protests and gave rise to the Swadeshi movement, a significant chapter in India's freedom struggle. During this time, Rabindranath Tagore emerged as a pivotal figure who used Raksha Bandhan as a tool for national integration. He called upon Hindus and Muslims of Bengal to tie rakhis to each other as a symbol of unity and brotherhood. Tagore's concept of Rakhi Utsav transformed the festival from a familial ritual into a mass political movement. Through mass gatherings, poetry, and music, people were encouraged to defy the British-imposed communal boundaries. Sisters tied rakhis not just to their biological brothers but also to men from other religious communities, asserting the message of solidarity and collective resistance. This strategic repurposing of Raksha Bandhan was a brilliant example of how traditional festivals could be reinterpreted to serve contemporary causes. In Tagore's vision, Raksha Bandhan became a spiritual protest, a peaceful assertion of fraternity and harmony in the face of divisive colonial policies. Today, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated with immense enthusiasm across India and among the Indian diaspora worldwide. Although its religious and emotional undertones remain, it has also adapted to modern realities. In recent times, the tradition has also evolved. Sisters too vow to protect their brothers, and in many households, Rakhis are exchanged mutually, emphasizing equality and shared responsibility. Some even tie Rakhis to soldiers, policemen, and doctors, extending the idea of protection to those who serve and safeguard the nation. Raksha Bandhan is now also used to spread social messages. Children tie Rakhis to trees to promote environmental conservation, or to animals to spread awareness against cruelty. In some schools and NGOs, children from marginalized communities are included in Rakhi celebrations, turning it into a festival of universal love. It serves as a cultural anchor, reminding individuals of their duties not just to their siblings but to society. The symbolism of the thread, simple, delicate, yet strong, captures the essence of relationships rooted in love and sacrifice. In a world increasingly defined by digital relationships and emotional isolation, Raksha Bandhan reaffirms the value of personal bonds. The act of physically tying a Rakhi, offering sweets, and exchanging promises offers a grounded emotional experience that technology cannot replace. Raksha Bandhan is more than a ritual, it is a philosophy. Rooted in Vedic principles of protection and sanctity, enriched by mythology, redefined in moments of national crisis, and reimagined in the modern world, Raksha Bandhan continues to be a festival of eternal relevance. Its power lies in its simplicity, a thread tied with love, a promise made with sincerity. From the battlefields of Vedic deities to the battle for national unity in Bengal, Raksha Bandhan has always stood as a testimony to the strength of relationships and the spirit of unity. As long as we remember its deeper meanings, not just as a bond between siblings but as a commitment to protect, respect, and uplift one another, Raksha Bandhan will remain a guiding light in India's cultural and spiritual journey. If you liked listening to our article, please share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stories. Thank you.